Hey guys, how you doing? So amidst the hype, amidst everything that's out there, I've done 21 different businesses in my life. Let no one fool you. Whatever business you're doing, whether it's online or offline, the power is in one thing. That one thing that's going to take you to the next level, that's going to give you customers, that's going to make people like you, know you, and trust you. It's about building your brand. Whether it's a personal brand, or whether it's just a company brand, a brand that is standalone where nobody knows your face, but it's a brand. That's what works. That's what's sustainable. That's why Pepsi, that's why Coca-Cola, that's why McDonald's, Burger King, and all these people have been able to secure that followership, to get that customer base, because they branded themselves. They've spent numerous time, effort, pump capital, and done everything in the book to get you to know, like, and trust them. So the brand takes on a personality. It associates itself with the things you like so that you get associated by extension. And then after that, it just have to come in front of you. So they just put it in front of you, and you're like, oh yes. Just like the people on the cooking shows, just like the people on TV. They just go out there, they come on, they make you like them. It's a social environment. They bring an audience, they cook stuff, they talk about stuff, they goof off and jerk, and like just play around. And then when you go into the store and you see their names on something, you're like, wow, because there's an association that happens in your brain. That's what's going on in business. You got to brand yourself or your business. People must associate you with something that is positive, that is light, that is friendly and caring. And once people start to associate your brand with that, then you don't have to say, come buy me. Here's this shiny thing. It's going to go out in 2 days. Buy it now. There's a big discount. All that stuff works. If you have to do it, do it. But just know that for the long term, you have to brand yourself. You have to build a following. You have to get loyal people. People are loyal to brands, to something that is with them, that stands out in their mind, that keep coming in front of them, that does fun things, that gives them stuff, that does informative stuff. Look, there's a special on Pepsi, Coca-Cola every week somewhere around the world. There's all these fancy stuff going out. There's discount, there's bargains being run because the brain responds to free, to discounts, to all that stuff. That's what work if you're going to do business. So if you're coming online, brand yourself. And I encourage everybody to be online. Every business is online these days, because if you have something and you're brick and mortar, somebody's going to search it up online, it links back to you. If you're not getting those links, you're getting out of business. I'm telling you, so many of these big box people kind of miss that. And now it's just they're closing stores left, right, and center. It's about how well you can connect yourself online, build your following, and keep getting in front of these people by adding value. Content is king, and free stuff, helping people, just being caring, just caring about people, and not so worried about the $2 commission or the $25 or $600 commission, but by putting real work into something, presenting it to people, and helping people to find solutions. And then you pretty much guilt them into buying from you when you have something to sell. You just show it, and they will be like, oh yeah, because people are going to be sold. People are going to buy. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold. So you know what? If they feel comfortable just by buying, then you get the sale. You don't have to pitch. Hey, come and see this, buy this opportunity to go. That's not going to work for long. So if you want to build a brand, if you want to stand out here, you want to get more sales, you want to have some sustainability in your business, you got to brand yourself. You got to brand the business, and people have to associate that brand with positive, kind, caring, and informative stuff. Have a good day, guys. Always a pleasure. Subscribe, like, share. We're building this YouTube channel. We're doing a 90-day challenge. Hey, help me kick my own ass to get this right, to get this thing nailed in, to get my YouTube count out so I can make more impact, so we can do great things. So this community can go worldwide, can just impact millions of lives. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.